Okay, guys, so there are some rumors on the internet right now about this Hamster Kombat, the profit per hour, and the coin balance. So today I'm going to tell you or show you some factors that I want you people to consider. All right. So my name is Crypto Bars. If you're new on this channel or this is your first time watching this video, subscribe, like this video, and let me know what you think in the comment section. I'll be there to answer all your questions. So let's get straight to the video. So most people are like profit per hour over coin balance just because Hamster Kombat posted on their tweet page that profit per hour is needed over the coin balance, and that there will be airdrop will be based on this profit per hour here, all right, not the coin balance and other parameters, other activities right here. So what are some of the other activities? You have to ask yourself that. So most people are always using their coin balance to improve their profit per hour, but I want you to take a look at this. There are some levels here right now. So my advice is that you have to get to a decent level before you focus really on your coin balance. So you can see these are the levels. You have this bronze right here which is looking a little funny right here. So we have this bronze, and then we have silver, gold, platinum, diamond, epic, legendary, master, grandmaster, and then we have the final boss, which is the lord. So you can't be like you be in the platinum level or you be in the diamond level and then you'll be using all your money for the profit per hour or all your coins for the profit per hour. You have to get to a decent level, at least master or grandmaster right here, because you can't be in let's say a diamond level right here and you have 1 point, let's say 1.2 million profit per hour, and someone is in, let's say, grandmaster, and the person has 900,000 coins. You can't say that 900,000 profit per hour. You can't say that you get more of the airdrop than him. No, the level was higher than yours, right? So you get to a decent level before you start doing start using all your coins on the profit per hour. This is my first thing, and I want you guys to participate in the daily rewards right here. Just come to where it says and click on a daily reward, and then you just claim your coins right here. I think these are the other parameters that these people are talking about, and then the daily cipher and the daily combo. There is also another part in it, and when you go to mine, it's also here. So the daily combo for today will come shortly after this video. So let's see. You have to also get where it is specials, buy these cards, because these cards, there are rumors that these cards will turn into NFT for us, right? That is what they are saying. There's no confirmation about that, but that's the rumors that people have been saying right here. You have to buy these cars right here because one, it improves your profit per hour, and I think these are also the other parameters that these people are talking about right here. And now the next thing is friends. All right, so you have to at least invite a minimum of 10 friends or maybe 5. Like, you have to at least invite a friend. You just invite a friend, whether with just a regular Telegram user or a friend with Telegram premium. Just invite a friend. Referrals is also I think it's also a fact right here. And then your daily tap, how you interact with the app. You can't just come here and then you claim your coins that the bot has mined for you. I mean, you claim your profit per hour and then you just leave. That is not how it is done. So I think the interference with the app is also a factor about this. You have to come here every day, you tap a little bit, and then you just leave from here, right? So it's important. Both the profit per hour and the coin balance are important, right? So keep it balanced, right? I want it to be like the levels are here. So before you get to master, you have 50 million coins. So you have to make sure that 50 million coins are here before you continue. No matter the card you buy, you should not get below 50 million. As for me, I'm at grandmaster. I know that grandmaster is 100 million before you reach grandmaster. So I'm trying to get to 100 million. I'm trying to get past 100 million before I'll try to increase my profit per hour, because so far it's good. 1.23 million profit per hour is a great thing. I want to get to 100 million really quick, all right, so that it won't affect anything. All right, so this is what I have for you today. These are some of the factors that I have told you. All right, so I want you to implement this, and let's all keep going. I'll see you in the very next one. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you.